Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss object-oriented data model. Object-oriented data model represents data in the relationship of real-world entities in a single structure which is known as object. In this model, two or more related objects are connected through links as shown in this figure. Here in this model, shape, circle, rectangle and triangle are the objects. The object shape has the methods getArea and getPerimeter, where methods represents the behavior of an object in this model. Here the object circle has the attributes center and radius, where attributes are the properties of an object. Since center and radius are the properties of a circle, here it is mentioned as its attributes. Similarly, a rectangle has the attributes length and breadth, and triangle has the attributes base and height. Here the links from shape to the objects circle, rectangle and triangle, it indicates a inheritance feature, that is, it indicates a parent-child relationship between these objects, and here shape is the parent object and circle, rectangle and triangle are the child objects that can inherit the methods getArea and getPerimeter methods of the parent object shape. In this model, the key concepts of object-oriented programming language such as inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, encapsulation and information hiding can easily be represented. Let's now discuss the advantages of this model. Object-oriented database can handle different types of data such as pictures, videos, text, numbers and so on. And this model provides code reusability, enriched real-world modeling, improved reliability and flexibility. And this model incurs low maintenance cost because most of the tasks are encapsulated in the system. Now let's see the disadvantages of this model. Actually, there is no universally defined standard for developing this model, and this model does not provide adequate security mechanism, and this model makes the system more complex than that of relational database management system. That's why this model is not widely accepted by the users. Viewers, in this video we have learned about object-oriented data model. If you find this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.